Okay. Hi guys, I'm gonna guide you how to pronounce all the words related to topic food and drink. Say food and drink. Rice, rice. Would you like a bowl of rice, please? I would like a bowl of rice, please. I would like a bowl of rice, please. Rice. Chicken, chicken. I like to eat fried chicken. Fried chicken. Gà rán. I like to eat fried chicken. Pork, pork. My family eats pork every day. Beef, beef. My favorite food is beef. Beef, beef. My favorite food is beef. Fish, fish. My mother likes fish. Fish, fish. My mother likes fish. Sausage, sausage, sausage. One sausage. Sausages, sausages. Two sausages. Many sausages. I like eating sausages the most. I like eating sausages the most. Vegetables, vegetables, vegetables. My grandmother likes eating vegetable very much. Vegetables. Từ này có 3 âm tiết cho các em nhé. Vegetables, vegetables. My grandmother likes eating vegetables very much. Bread, bread. Every morning I eat a loaf of bread. I eat a loaf of bread. A loaf of nghĩa là một ổ gì, một ổ bánh mì. I eat a loaf of bread. Chocolate, chocolate. My little sister likes chocolate very much. My little sister likes chocolate very much. Noodles, noodles. His favorite food is noodles. His favorite food is noodles, noodles. Milk, milk. Children love drinking milk, milk. Oranges, oranges. My dad likes drinking oranges very much. My dad likes drinking oranges very much. Lemonade, lemonade. My mother doesn't like lemonade. My mother doesn't like lemonade. Okay, now remember to practice many times. Bye bye guys. Các em có thể chép từ vựng, dừng audio và các em chép từ vựng ra vở nhé. Okay, bye bye guys.